Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. You and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
And maybe you big boys will show me a good time? Idiota!
Please leave now!
There's the courier with the fresh load of yay for Ryder and his new friends.
Hey, CJ, it's Caesar, man.
For sure. Smoke is more bikes.
Hi there. In you go.
Don't let that punk bitch get away!
Man, this guy's right. Looking like a bull.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
You ought to put a price tag on that pussy.
Families, fool.
Grove wear snitch jacket.
Slap him, silly.
Don't make me come out my face.
I'ma piss on your corpse, Tenpenny.
Hey, this
You got squabs, huh?
This ain't no country club, fella.
Kill the Americos.
Smoke, you're insane!
Fucking amazing!
The Big Ear Radio Telescope.
Ah, Lo, what's up now, man?
We need some wheels. Grove Street are slipping, man.
Oh, baby.
Thank you very much.
Call 911!
Place your bet, sir.
Light.
Ready?
All right, man, thanks. I guess I could take it from here.
Hey, man, slow your roll, fool.
You want to
Oh, no time to chit chat.
Stature fool you, man.
Millie Perkins, the perfect girl. Hold tight, I'll be right over there.
And look what happened to the bitch.
Gotcha!
I know a way out, up past Grove Street.
Get those barrels out of the way, Carl.
Oh, shit. You gonna get caught violating his parole.
I can smell Nacho's oxide from a mile off.
We were waiting for you.
Hey, what's your name?
Sport.
Fuck you! Come on, dude!
¿Qué pues? Salsa, brother. You visited my barrio lately? No, but it's safe to openly discuss. I hit the Huacho, homie. Keep fighting the power.
Young what